Hey guys! Today we're going to do an unboxing video of SpiderTech. They actually sent me this really cool box and then we're going to see what's inside. Alright, so let's have a look inside here. Oh, whoa, okay. First we got the eye strips here. This is actually really cool because they normally don't package in this, but I guess everything is new now, so it looks all fancy smancy. I can actually open it for you. Let's see what's inside. Perfect. So, those who are buying this for the first time, do not worry because they actually have instructions on how to apply them. So these eye strips are actually very, very useful, and it's easy to carry on in your backpack if you're traveling or you know, in a sports event. Just take it with you and then you just take one strip and then you're good to go. So I'm just taking one strip here and just want to show you what the back looks like. Again, it has instructions so you are not lost when you're applying this. So literally snap and peel. Next, we're going to look at the X Spider that SpiderTech has given me. So again, I'll open it. The X Spider is really cool. You can actually apply this on any joint because it has these projections right here. You can actually like spread that way, you know, so then it looks like an X. Okay, looks like SpiderTech has sent me these really cool camo face wears. So instead of using the surgical mask, I can actually apply this on. Very, very cool. I love the camo patterns too. Just very grungy looking. The original masks actually come in these type of packages. So when you order one, you can expect to get one like this, but if you get one of those special patterns, they'll probably come in this really cool tin. Let's open it here. Oh my god! Look at this! So nice. Are they all like this? Oh, there's actually different ones. So there's this pattern. There's this, oh, I like this a lot. Very, very nice. Oh my goodness, there's so many patterns in here. Let's put it back. And then this right here, oh, it's actually kind of heavy. And this pack here, I've got the low back. Oh, more low backs. Hold on. Here's a neck spider. For those working at a desk, these are actually very useful. Some of my clients have actually said that it really does help them throughout the day. Ah, shoulder. One of the hardest spiders to apply, but no worries. Like I said, these come with instructions, so it's really not that hard. Ah, right shoulder, of course. You got two shoulders, right? The upper knee. Awesome. And that's it. So I'm just gonna put these back into the box. Thank you SpiderTech for this. Huge shout out to you guys. All this wonderful stuff that you've given me, I will put them to good use. For those who are interested, don't forget to use my code to get 20% off all your products in your cart.